Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if your calls are not ringing on your Android phone. So if you are not getting the ringtone when you are having the call, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you have to make sure that your volume of the call is turned on. For that, turn on the volume button, and you have to make sure that your phone is not on vibration and the ringtone is on the top. The other thing is that go to settings, scroll down a little bit and you'll get the option of sound. Simply tap on that. Here you have to make sure that the ringtone volume is full on. Here you can also change the ringtone and then your issue would be fixed. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.